Hello friends, today I will be showing you the reassembling of my filtration system. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me show you the unit first. This is the overflow system which would bring water to the sump. This is the inner pipe which would decide the water level in the tank. The bottom of the inner pipe has to be closed by an end cap. This is the weir or outer pipe. The slits on the top serves as a surface skimmer. The weir is held in the tank with the help of suction cups. The slit at the bottom serves as a bottom sweeper. The overflow system is connected to the sump with the help of a union. A ball valve is used to control the flow of the water. To suppress the gurgling sound, the end cap with a hole is used on a long standing pipe. This is the return system which brings filtered water to the tank. This is the spray bar which pushes debris to the weir, which facilitates the bottom sweeping action. The return system is connected to the output of the sump with the help of a union. A ball valve is used to control the flow of the water. Some of the water is released near the water surface with the help of a 45-degree elbow, which agitates the water. Rest of the water is pushed through the spray bar. The strong jet of the water would clean the bottom surface of the tank. Now, let me show you the installation. First, we would install the return system. The spray bar is attached to the bottom of the tank wall with the help of a suction cup. The rest of the installation is quite simple and self-explanatory as shown in the video. Enjoy. After filling up the water, we would install the overflow system. First, we would insert the weir or a outer pipe. We place it in the opposite corner of the tank and stick it there with the help of a suction cups. Now take the inner pipe and fill it up with the water. Next, take the overflow system. Keeping the ball valve closed, dip the system in the tank water. Please take care that every bubble from the system is removed. This is the one of the easiest method of priming the system. You can prime the other way also, but I think this is the quickest and the safest and the surest way to prime the system. Now, keeping the whole system submerged, take the inner pipe and place it on the open pipe of the overflow system. Keep it placed there and lift the whole system with the inner pipe very carefully and place it inside the weir. Now connect it with the sump. Now, keeping the valve closed, fill the water in the long standing pipe. Once the water is filled in the long standing pipe, Start the motor. Open the ball valve of the overflow system and the system would start flowing the water into the sump. Sorry, as I was alone, so I couldn't shoot the starting process. Enjoy the final working of the system. If you have any question or queries, please ask in the comment section. Thank you.